Sacreday Mesh Travel Laundry Bag. This laundry bag is great for both storing and washing dirty clothes. The mesh makes it perfect for both washer and dryer. This laundry bag can be filled to capacity and then tossed directly into the washing machine. This Sacreday mesh laundry bag is both washable and reusable. The zippers lock in germs, odors, and moisture. Store your daily dirty clothes or pack away for travel. Along with the mesh compartment that comes down for washing, there's also a small side pocket where you can store smaller items.
Where what is?
The main body of the bag is a nylon canvas material.
I just said they're in that laundry bag.
This lets water pass through the bag. Leaving the mesh compartment inside the bag with the zipper closed prevents the smells from getting out. Yes, this mesh laundry bag does roll up easily for packing. This is how it's done. Wrap the elastic around, and voila!
Okay, perfect. Turn around to the branch. Okay, you're good. Look at the top and the bottom.
For smaller amounts of laundry, simply remember to drop down the mesh bag when it's time for washing the clothes. If you know you want to hold a larger amount of clothes inside the bag, pull the mesh bag out and store the clothes. This bag holds a lot.
Okay.
Ready to wash? Open the machine and place the bag right in. Drying is just as easy. This is the Sacreday no-touch washing mesh laundry bag. Good for home or travel and folds up conveniently. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.